Hi everybody, welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series, and today I have come up with a massive medical breakthrough. This is regarding the malaria vaccine. WHO, World Health Organization, has approved anti-malaria vaccine. Now this is a glimmer of hope for African continent, because we know that in African continent it is one of the deadly diseases, and so many people, numerous people die every year because of malaria. As far as India is concerned, the situation is relatively better, and in the past we have taken so many measures to combat this malaria. But in African continent, it is still one of the biggest threats. In fact, it won't be an exaggeration if I say that malaria is far more deadlier than coronavirus in African continent. But with the approval of this anti-malaria vaccine, situation will get better. Children will get protected. They will grow into healthy adult population, and this will improve the overall situation of African continent. Okay, because these adults will get jobs in the future and the economy will improve. Okay, so you have to remember the name of the vaccine. The name of the vaccine is RTS-SAS01. So this is the vaccine which has been approved by World Health Organization. And you have to remember that so far 11 countries have been declared malaria free. And here you have to remember one important fact, that India hasn't been declared malaria free yet, although the cases have declined sharply, but still we can see so many infections, malaria infections every year in our country. In fact, all of us, we must have got infected at least once with malaria. So malaria is not unknown to anybody. It does not need any introduction, but overall situation is far more better now in our country. But African continent is still grappling with this malaria, but with the approval of this vaccine, situation will improve in the future. Okay, so all these facts I wanted to discuss in today's session. If you have liked it, if you have found it useful, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. We provide daily current affairs on our various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. So you can subscribe all these platforms. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.